Okay. Alright, here we are at the city. The sewer length from this clean out here in the bathroom is 71, almost 72 feet. We'll pull back, inspect for damage. Didn't see any roots in this pipe or offsets or bellies. It's got good pitch. 6-inch clay tile line. The push down isn't easy, so it's got good pitch. Here. So that's the 4x6. So 71 minus 46. It's about 35 feet of 6-inch pipe out to the city, that clay line. And then it goes back into what I believe to be transite pipe. Yeah, it appears to be transite pipe. Transite all looks good. That's into cast. There's the cast for the last